राजकीय, सामाजिक, आध्यात्मिक, शैक्षणिक, शेतीविषयक बातम्यांसाठी आदर्श भारत माझा सदैव न्याय हक्कासाठी आपल्यासोबत.
अपोलो चिल्ड्रन हेल्थकेअर फॅसिलिटी अक्रॉस दी कंट्री आणि आपल्या सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे अपोलो हॉस्पिटलचे सगळ्या सिटीजमध्ये ब्रांचेस आहेत. दिल्ली, कोलकाता, चेन्नई, हैदराबाद, बँगलोर, तसं नवी मुंबई. वी आर ऑलमोस्ट अ डिकेड ओल्ड अँड वी सेट अप दी कॉम्प्रिहेन्सिव्ह pediatric multi-speciality services at the Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai. आणि ॲज सरिता साहेब आपण इकडे जमलोय. वी हॅव ऑर्गनाइज्ड an academic conference in collaboration with the Boston Children's Hospital, and I'm extremely happy and glad to inform you that 4 faculty members from Boston Children's Hospital are with us in the conference. And may I now tell you that Dr. Anna Pinto and Dr. Sarah Fleet, they Boston Children's तज्ञ pediatrician वेगवेगळ्या सबस्पेशालिटी, न्यूट्रिशन ग्रोथ आणि पीडियाट्रिक न्यूरोलॉजी ते आपल्यासोबत आज आलेले आहेत. आणि डॉक्टर माया चोप्रा आणि डॉक्टर जेनिफर ट्रुमेंथाल, दे आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू जॉइन अस फॉर द कॉन्फरन्स. We pediatricians at Apollo are also part of the Navi Mumbai chapter of Indian Academy of Pediatrics. आणि डॉक्टर उपेंद्र किंजवडेकर, डॉक्टर संदीप सावंत, डॉक्टर अशोक गावडी हे सगळे आम्ही आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटला इकडे रिप्रेझेंट करत आहोत. सो अपोलो चिल्ड्रन्स is a comprehensive healthcare facility that we established at Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai, right in the beginning. In fact, आमच्या हॉस्पिटलची सुरुवात झाली, हमने एक बच्चे की डिलीवरी की, and that is the day we started functioning as Apollo hospitals in Navi Mumbai. Now I'll just quickly go through what facilities we have. What is that? Can you please open it for me? So when it comes to child care facility, general pediatrics म्हणजे सर्वसाधारण जे बीमारी होती है बच्चों की, for that we require general pediatrics. We have very strong pillars of general pediatrics at Apollo Hospitals, which comprises I am heading the department. Then I have my senior colleagues, Dr. Sandeep Samant and Dr. Ashok Gowdy, and there are about 5 to 6 visiting consultant pediatricians also who are in Navi Mumbai for the last several years. So they form our backbone of the general pediatrics at Apollo Hospitals. याच्या व्यतिरिक्त when it comes to child care, एक comprehensive services ची गरज असते. Critically ill children, extremely prematurely born newborns. त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याकडे स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट क्वार्टरनरी केअर, पीडियाट्रिक इंटेन्सिव्ह केअर युनिट आणि न्यूनेटल इंटेन्सिव्ह केअर युनिट आहे. आणि हे सगळे आपल्याला काय लागतं चांगल्या हेल्थकेअर डिलिव्हरीसाठी? वी रिक्वायर गुड इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, ते आहे आमच्याकडे. वी रिक्वायर एक्सपर्टीज, सो वी हॅव न्यूनेटॉलॉजिस्ट, वी हॅव पीडियाट्रिक इंटेन्सिव्ह केअर स्पेशलिस्ट. And not only these general pediatricians who are specialized in intensive care, we also require support of lot many other pediatric super specialties, like say pediatric neurology, pediatric rheumatology, infectious diseases, cardiology, bone marrow transplant, hematology, oncology, जे रक्ताचे आजार असतात. So all these specialty services are made available under one roof at Apollo Hospitals. Now, apart from these services and infrastructure, we also require ancillary services like CT scan, MRI, state-of-the-art laboratory services. This सगळं काही आपल्याकडे आहे. Now, this is part of the healthcare services that we render to the community, and our aim is to deliver quality pediatric care to each and every child of our country. I would not be wrong if I say ours is one of the most comprehensive multi-specialty pediatric care at Apollo Hospitals. Now, as a part of continuing medical education, आम्ही दर महिन्याला काहीतरी academic program करत असतो, so that all our consultants remain abreast with the advances in science. आज medical science जिस रफ्तार से आगे बढ़ रहा है, ये बहुत जरूरी होता है हर डॉक्टर को कि उसके साथ अपनी रफ्तार बनाए रखे. So we conduct a lot of academic activities, and here we are now for the annual big event. It is called ABC Children's Conclave, which is being done in collaboration with the Boston Children's Hospital. उद्यापासून कॉन्फ्रेंस शुरू होते हैं। ये 2 दिन का इवेंट है ऑरिका स्काई सिटी होटल बॉम्बे में। एंड टुडे द कॉन्फ्रेंस इज प्रेसिडेड बाय 2 वर्कशॉप्स। एक वर्कशॉप अपोलो हॉस्पिटल अभी दोपहर में शुरू हो रहा है 1 बजे से, एंड द अदर वर्कशॉप इज एट हिंदुजा हॉस्पिटल्स मुंबई। So this in nutshell is the healthcare activity, keeping or continuing medical education. What else we do? We also take care of the underprivileged children and community children who unfortunately do not have access to good education, good health education or good health facility. And I'm extremely happy to share with you that my friends and colleagues from Navi Mumbai Academy of Pediatrics, they are also with Apollo Hospitals, and we are, as Sarita mentioned, since last week we have concentrated a few activities, but these activities happen year round, and we reach out to the community, we help them with health education, we aid them with support. Say for example, we distributed some blackboard, emergency light, some education material, school bags for children. I would ask my colleague Dr. Mangai, who is also the president of the IIT Nalumbi chapter, to talk about the activities that we have done in last 1 week. One important activity that we are doing today is there is a program for public called Bachpan. Bachpan Doctor एक विचार होगा, चला मुलांना घडत घ्या. Where what we envisage is we invited parents to talk them about the problems that parents face these days: rearing of children, nutrition, screen time, mobile addiction, त्याच्यानंतर ड्रग एडिक्शन. हल्ली adolescents आप सबने सुना होगा, suicide, falling prey to various addictions, alcohol, drugs, etc. So, and parents have lot many questions in their mind. So we have to address all these parents in our public program, which is going to happen at Agri Kuli Bhavan.